everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Emmachenn, and today I'm going to be talking about gardening. So if you like gardening or these kind of topics, I do this and a wide range of other things on my channel, so you can go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when I post every Saturday, and check out my other content. If you like this video as well, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, and I'd love to hear your gardening tips below in the comments. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick video on how to propagate philodendrons in Pothos. And today I have a Pothos plant. It is variegated, very cute, very pretty, and I have just a very quick method for you. You can obviously take your cutting, and I will show a video of me doing this cutting right now. Alright, so what you want to do is find your plant, and with plants it's really important to cut below the node. So here's a node right here. As you can see, there's a little bit of a root going on here, and what I'm going to do is just cut anywhere along here. I'm going to cut here, and there's my cutting that we're going to be used for propagating. And then once you have your cutting, you have two options. You can wait for this to callus over for a day or two. That is optional for one of the methods and required for the other one. If you're going to be planting this in dirt, you're going to want to make sure there's a bit of a guide root here at the node. You're going to want to make sure this is calloused over and then plant it in some dirt and make sure it's watered heavily for the first few days until it is starting to grow. And for the second method, which I'm showing you today, you don't need to wait till this callus is over. It's just preferred. I actually have this little guy here who is already sprouting a new baby and already has roots, so it's time to repot him and place this one in the water. So I'm gonna get fresh water, of course, but all you're gonna do is remove your plant, in this case, and I'm gonna be planting this guy in some dirt now that there's a solid root, and watering heavily for the first few weeks until it gets more secure. And then this plant, in a moment I'm going to give it fresh water, but just for demonstration purposes. This one has a new leaf, but as soon as this new leaf has a new leaf, I'll be taking this one out. I'm going to pop this in, making sure the guide root is in water, and that's all you have to do. In about a week, you'll have a plant with roots like this, and you can plant it in a pot, and this works for both philodendrons and pothos plants. Easy peasy, low light and high light plants, they just need a lot of water. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tip for planting pothos and philodendron. If you guys have any other tips for me, leave them down below. I would love to hear them, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.